Welcome to Hncker. We teach ethical hacking and real-world exploits. How to hack email with kalilinux. Let's see how SET works. The social engineering toolkit clones real login pages. The victim sees a perfect copy. They enter their credentials. The attacker captures everything. In Kali terminal, run SET. Choose social engineering, then website attack vectors. Pick credential harvester. Enter the IP address for your listener. Clone a login page. SET starts listening. The victim receives a phishing link in their email. They click it, and the browser opens a fake page. It is a perfect clone of the Google login page. They type their email and password into the form. They hit sign in, and the credentials are captured. Back in the terminal, the credentials are captured in plain text. Email and password. Access granted. Another method. Hydra brute forces email passwords. Pointed at the mail server with a word list. It tries every combination until it cracks the password. Here's how that works. Run Hydra with the email and word list. Pointed at the mail server on port 993. Hydra tries thousands of passwords per second, until it finds the right one. To protect yourself, never click suspicious links. Enable two-factor authentication. Use strong, unique passwords. Stay vigilant. Your terminal starts here. Hit subscribe.